Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. In fact, if you watched your previous video, I talked about how I wouldn't be doing any more videos until something happened in regards to the overall channel. So just to set up some context, the overall channel being the resistance portion up here at $29, and then the support portion of it down here at $26.75, and something happening being defined as either a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. But what brought my attention, and that, it's not a guarantee of anything because, guarantees don't exist, but it's something that I found relatively, just fascinating in the sense of, this morning, there's a nice little surge of volume. The price started to break out right there, and then you can see that breakout just got really smacked back to the downside. Now, does that mean that the entire chart is now destroyed? Not at all. It might not even mean that anything, bearish is going to occur. But my point here being is there's clearly some sellers that have shown up, because that was not the first time that, the price has made a big move and then, down back it went. Right here, check it out. Nice little upwards move, back down the price went. Right there, nice move up, back down it went. And then once again, like I've already talked about, nice move up from this morning and back down it went. So there's some sellers showing up here, and I'm just curious, is this selling pressure some sort of leading indicator about maybe a bigger move to the downside that's coming? And what I want to get into play here, just out of curiosity's sake, is this trend line right here that's kind of illustrating and measuring, that selling pressure that clearly exists out there. So I'll change that up just to denote the difference from the overall channel pattern. But that's really the area of resistance that I'm curious about moving forward. Is the price going to continue to put in those lower highs, which again is not the end of the world, but it does suggest that there is some selling pressure out there. And as I've already shown 3 times now, the price has made nice surges, and then all of a sudden the surges just get smacked right back to the downside. So we'll see if that means anything or not, but that's going to be the one key level that I'm definitely watching very closely now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.